Unraveling the Layers, Deciphering the Structure of Poetry. Hello, fellow learners. Today we will embark on an enriching journey into the world of poetry. Reading and comprehending poetry can often be challenging, but once we understand its structure, we can unlock the treasure trove of thoughts and emotions hidden in the verses. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Poetry is a form of literary art that uses aesthetic and rhythmic qualities of language to evoke emotions and ideas. Unlike prose, which follows a more straightforward structure, poetry often relies on meter, rhyme, and symbolism. As readers, it's important to pay attention to these elements as they can significantly influence the poem's overall meaning and tone. While poetry does not follow a universal structure, several common formats can guide our comprehension. Let's explore some of these. 1. Rhyme scheme. The pattern of end sounds in each line. For example, in a quatrain, 4-line stanza, with an AABB rhyme scheme, the first and second lines rhyme, and the third and fourth lines rhyme. 2. Stanzas. The equivalent of paragraphs in prose. They divide ideas, settings, or moods within a poem. 3. Rhythm and meter. The beat of the poem. It is often established through patterns of stressed and unstressed syllables. 4. Form. Some poems follow specific forms like sonnets, haikus, or limericks, each with their unique rules and structure. Remember, the key to deciphering a poem's structure is patience and practice. Close reading and multiple readings can reveal the nuances and layers of meaning. 1. Read out loud. Poetry is intended to be heard. Reading a poem aloud can help us identify its rhythm, rhyme, and emotional undertones. 2. Look for imagery and symbolism. Poets often use symbols and imagery to convey deeper meanings. Identifying these can enrich our understanding of the poem. 3. Don't rush. It's okay to not understand a poem completely in the first read. Take your time and let the words sink in. 4. Discuss. Share your thoughts and interpretations with others. Poetry can have multiple interpretations, and discussing it can broaden our perspectives. With these strategies at your fingertips, I hope that reading and understanding poetry becomes a more enjoyable and less daunting task. Remember, appreciating poetry is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong when it comes to interpreting a poem. So, pick up a poem, dive in, and let the words carry you away. Happy reading, everyone!